Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an item from your My List on DramaWave application. To remove an item from your My List on DramaWave, open up the DramaWave app first on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the My List button at the bottom section of the screen. And then inside the My List tab, you will be able to see the dramas or movies that you have added. Simply tap the pencil icon right next to My List tab and then select the drama you'd like to delete. You can also select all the dramas or contents that is available in your My List by tapping on Select All at the bottom left and then tap on Remove at the bottom right in order to delete the contents from the list. Confirm by tapping Remove once again, and that way you will be able to delete the contents or movies that you've added inside your My List on DramaWave. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more DramaWave tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.